welcome or welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your power tool repair shop business. If you provide tool repairs, then manually responding to all the issues and sharing troubleshoot tips can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create WhatsApp chatbot which will respond to the issues and automate this whole process on our behalf. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created for power tool repair shop business. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example, and for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I'm going to send a general message like hi. And our chatbot responds us with, "Welcome to Rapid Fix Tool Repairs. Need help with your power tools? We handle drills, grinders, saws and more. Choose an option to begin." And it has provided us 3 options, out of which I'm going to select the first one, and our chatbot responds us with, "Please share the following tool type." So here I'm going to respond with drill. And now it is asking for issue. So I'm going to provide a demo response as XYZ issue. And it responds us with, "We have received your issue as this given tool and this given issue. We will get back shortly with the next tips." So next I'm going to respond with troubleshoot tips. And our chatbot shares us all the tips such as check power supply, confirm switches and jammed, clean carbon brushes if removable. If that doesn't help, we recommend scheduling a pickup. So next I'm going to respond with schedule repair. And it is asking for preferred date. So I'm going to send a preferred date like this. And it responds us with, "We will confirm your slot on this given date shortly." So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create the same, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in. And it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on Access Now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as untitled. So I'm going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot for your power tool repair shop. On the screen, there is a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex, and regex is short term used for regular expression, and it is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex, and from here you can choose any template to send to the user. If you want to learn how to create template, you can check the link in the description box. Now we are going to curate our first message with the help of text button, and here I am going to add a welcome message. Like this, and it will appear like this to the user, and here we have added these little star signs as it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. With the help of add button, I'm going to add some quick reply options like this. Now we have to curate a response for each quick reply option, so let's begin with tool issue. And for this, I'm going to access the action type nodes, and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. And here I'm going to take a brief about tool issue. Like this. Here I'm asking to please share tool type. So in the contact custom field, I'm going to select name, and as format, I'm going to select any and link it to the corresponding quick reply option. Then I'm going to curate another question box, and here I'm going to add describe the issue, and I'm going to link it to the question box, and in the contact custom field, I'm going to select add, and as format, I'm going to select any. If you want to learn how to create contact custom fields, you can check the link in the description box. Now we are going to curate a confirmation message with the help of text button, and here I'm going to add this message which will appear like this to the user. Here we have added tool equals to $name, as name was our contact custom field which will be replaced by the actual name of the tool sent by the user, and issue equals to $add, which will get replaced by the actual issue sent by the user, and we will get back with next steps. Now we are going to move on to the second option that says troubleshoot tips, and for this I'm going to access text button, and here I'm going to add some tips like this. And here I've added these tips which will appear like this to the user. And lastly, I'm going to create a response for schedule repair, and for this I'm going to access the action type nodes, and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. I'm going to place it here and link it to the corresponding quick reply option, and here I'm going to take scheduling details. Like this, here we are asking for preferred date. So in the contact custom field, I'm going to select date, and as format, I'm going to select date. You can provide number of attempts and validation message, and I'm going to leave the validation message empty. And then I'm going to create a confirmation message with the help of text button, and here I'm going to add this message which will appear like this to the user. Here we have added, we will confirm your slot on $date, which will be replaced by the actual date signed by the user shortly. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created for Power Tool Repair Shop. If you want to create the same, you can follow this procedure, and once you have created your flow, you can save it from here, and once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.